So what I'm showing here is I'm tying mule tape to a piece of plywood I drilled 2 holes in to drag it up the hill. I'm going to hook it up to the rear receiver of the truck and put the pallet with the stove on top of the plywood to use it as like a skid. Back up. Alright. I got it up to here. So, I think what we'll do, I'm going to grab the riding lawnmower. We're going to try that.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
I mean, we did it pretty good. We lost some plywood in the process, but that's okay. Ooh, yeah. You already chewed it up. Could stay in that and make art. Okay, so. Alright. This guy untied. Alright. Mule tape, guys. If you can get some, get it. It's great stuff. This guy pushed back in. And then just gotta manhandle this guy over the ledge. The Escape 1800. It's a new wood insert we've been wanting for a while now. Finally got it. Here, I'll let the dogs out. Come on, guys. There goes Daisy. And Moose. Alright. Just go get the truck unpacked. Do the unboxing here in a second. So in this box, it looks like it's the face plate to cover the gap around the stove for the insert. It goes inside the fireplace. I want to say this is probably our pipe liner. It looks like. All right, so let's start the unboxing. I couldn't find my tin snips, so we'll see if these work. Oh, I think right there we go. Alright, we'll set you guys back here. I'll start unboxing it and then we'll go over it once we get everything crated here. First look on the plastic wrap. Pretty sweet. I don't see nothing damaged. I mean, it's got a little scratch on it, but I mean, it's a fireplace. We're gonna be using the crud out of this thing. So we will hopefully see. All the bricks look good. That's the blower motor. So that actually goes on the bottom. Down here. Then this is the dampener. What I want to look at is it showed a cord going off to the side. And yeah, through this hole. Well, instead of doing that, so this guy right here, let's see. Yeah, see how it has a cord coming out the side? I think we're going to change that. And the only reason is because I don't really want to see a cord. Do you guys want to see the cord? So, I think what we're going to do is, they did give us a knob, okay? That knob's going to go here. So I think what we'll do is, we'll figure where this is going to sit, okay? And then, I'm going to take this cord out, where it's wired in right now. Which shouldn't be too hard. It looks like a couple spade connectors, that's cool. And we're just gonna take this, bring it out, and we're gonna drill a hole through a brick into underneath. Now put in a wire and an outlet down there off of a switch next to the fireplace. And that way this will be all by itself. And I think that is going to look just snazzy. Should. Trying to figure out how this thing goes now. Should go like this. It does. So that's why they want an external. That's okay. We'll figure that out. Is wire it up. And as we set it, I'm going to drill a hole. I'll cut this end off. Feed it through the hole. Because you see it's solid. So we'll drill a hole through here. Take this out. We'll feed it through the hole. And where a hole that is, we'll mark it, pull this back out, rotor hammer a hole through the floor, fish this through there, hook up a new end underneath the house, plug it into an outlet off a switch, so it'll be a switched outlet. And that way we can turn this on and off without having this ugly cord. Or I could notch this guy. Just notch it. And that way we can slide it in and out. Just making sure it's not gonna mess up their integrity of this. We'll figure it out. I'll think about it. Okay, so I already started unboxing. This is our posterior roof cap, but that's probably not gonna work for ours. And then we have the liner, chimney liner. That is for the top cap, so that might work. And then this guy will get going like so. Something like that. So that might work. Except I don't like that it doesn't have a webbing around it. Let's see. And this is our attachment piece for right there. Okay, sits in there like so. That liner goes in there. Grips on. And then I believe that tab there. Oh, so it's got a deal in here, so you can tighten up the hose clamp. See, if you see it that well, that hose clamp right there. So that will tighten up around the flex. We might, it'll work short term, but probably have to change the top piece out here. Just get something with a bird blocking. Don't need birds flying in there. Set that right there for a second. That might work. Let's see what the instructions say. This is covered for 5 years. That'll let out some smoke there. That's pretty sweet. Pretty rigid stuff too. Like I could show you. Try to undo this wrapping. Like it doesn't want to bend really. So I mean that's pretty stiff. Get a brush through there, pretty easy. So that'll be nice. Tape that pretty sharp when they cut it. Yeah, that should work. And I'll plug right into that. Then next time you see us, we will be getting it inside, and we will be figuring out how we are going to get mounted, get some dimensions, get laid out. Do it like I talked to you about drilling through for the power for the blower. That's gonna take a second for sure. But we'll get it and be up and running in no time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep enjoying the ride.